Come test drive the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.